Hello, welcome back to the part 2 of the what's inside the white iPhone 4. Okay, let's have a look. We removed the motherboard and of course the batteries, camera, and the vibration motor. So let's see what's inside. The difference is the earphone plug and the water tester underneath the ear plug. And also you can see this there's a microphone cable, and that's the microphone, and there's a piece of plastic here just over the microphone cables, just home button cables, and there's probably these stickers to the improvement of the reception problems. And this is the cable connection. As you can see, there's it's linked to the metal frame, and there's a pad to prevent it from scratching the metal case. There's a silver pad here. You can see it here. And also there's a white plug. As you can see, the plug is also white. Female plug. And also there's another. The red sticker is the water tester. That's probably the main difference. Nice and smooth. Thank you for watching.